Hi, this is Christine with Scrap and Rabbit. This is a journal that I've listed in my Etsy shop. It has 3 signatures and it has about 180 pages. It's handmade. I've got upholstery fabric attached to the spine, and you can see the signatures stitched on the spine. And I used a book cover to make this. I've got some trim along the edges, and the closure is just a simple elastic band. Now you can remove the closure if you like. It's quite simple to remove, and if you want you can replace it with something else. So I will take you through so you get an idea of what the inside looks like. So here's the first signature, and the cover is just plain, so you can attach a photo in there if you like. Just a heads up, these pages are not acid free, so make sure that you're using copies of your photographs and not the originals. So here's the first signature. I've got some tea dyed, and some pages are probably also coffee dyed, so there's a variety. And I've got these little handmade envelopes. You can seal the envelope. There's some removable two-sided tape, so you can tuck something in here. So as you can see, it's a whole variety of different papers. I've got just some plain white, and I've got also some lined sheets in there. And in the center there's an envelope, so you can tuck something in here. There's no stamping, so whoever gets this journal can customize it however they see fit. And there's another envelope. So I'll just go quickly through these pages. There's another one of those envelopes. And here's the last signature. Another little envelope. There's lots and lots of space for writing, drawing, and turning it into a junk journal if you like, because the closure expands too, so the book can get thicker if you wanted to add some mementos in there. And that's my journal. Have a nice day. Happy crafting. Bye.